So good day everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Now here is my foundational chains for this pattern. So right now I'm going to start off. I'm going to chain 1 2 3 extra, then I yarn over. I'm going to insert with these 3 extra into the 5th loop. 1 2 3 4 5 with what I call triple crochet. So I proceed. So can you see? So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1 2 3. So I turn it over and I insert into the second loop like so. So right now I'm going to chain 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I'm going to insert 1 2 3 4 5 in the 5th loop with single crochet. I proceed. I chain another 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We also insert into the 5th loop at the base with single crochet. I proceed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 5th loop at the base with single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 5th loop at the base with single crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. So as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. So here I'm going to invite another color. So I invite another color into this loop. So here I chain 1 2 3. So I turn it over and insert into the second loop, triple crochet. So I proceed. the next loop, triple crochet. Can you see? So right now I'm going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So having chained 7, I'm going to insert here in this loop with single crochet. I proceed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I move into the next loop, into the mid loop with single crochet. Proceed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The mid loop, with single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I insert with single crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now, instead of me to proceed at this end, hence I will rather go to this end. So I'm going to insert my zipper here and I invite this out. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert into the second loop with triple crochet. Next loop, so right now I'm going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So having chained 7, I'm going to insert here with single crochet. I chain another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert here with single crochet. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this row. So as you can see, I've completed the round, but this edge I use, you can decide to use double crochet or half double crochet, just to make sure that this area is long, it's not longer than this. So right now I'm going to proceed. So I'm to invite the white color, so I insert my hook right here. So I bring in the white, so I'm going to join this also. Can you see? So I bring it out, then I draw this. So I'm going to chain 1. So I yarn over, I insert into the second loop right here with double crochet. Like I say, you can use double, you can use half double crochet. Next loop, double crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So having chain 5, I insert into this loop with single crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, instead of bringing this outward, so I move it inward. Can you see? With single crochet. I chain another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I move it inward, I bring it out inward with single crochet. Can you see? Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inward, single crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row.